In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google NotebookLM. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to notebooklm.google. On the NotebookLM homepage, just click on Try NotebookLM. Here you need to log in with your Google account. Just enter Gmail address and password to log in to the Google NotebookLM. Now once you logged in, on the home page, you will find setting option at the top right side. Just click on settings and the last option will be light mode, dark mode or device. Light mode is active at present. When you choose device, it will take the same theme as that of current device. If your device has the light theme, then NotebookLM will have light theme and vice versa. But as we want to enable dark mode in NotebookLM, just select dark mode and dark mode will be activated in NotebookLM. So that is how you can enable dark mode in Google NotebookLM. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.